See, many of us are unaware of what's happening around us. And we don't know that one of the biggest stock traders and largest shareholders of the major companies that we consume from a day-to-day basis has sold major and all of his stock in Bank of America. His name is Warren Buffett. He sold all of his stock in Bank of America. So what does Warren Buffett know that we don't know? And here's what I compiled and researched and find out and went over the numbers. They are major companies that have taken on so much debt that they're not going to be able to get out of it. Banks included. So we are in a major financial trouble and a financial crisis that's getting ready to happen to the US. That's the reason why Bitcoin is skyrocketing. A major crash is coming. And with the election and putting Trump in office and his ideology of taking out more debt to fund the economy, we're going to go faster into this financial crisis than we could have ever known of. So when the market crashes, a lot of investments will be cut in half. So what is your next move in a major crash? Well, I did some research, and the research that I came up with is that for the past 20 years, rates have been low. The rates cannot keep itself this low. We are only going to see higher rates, even with the Federal Reserve cutting rates. Rates are going back up to where they used to be, and they're going to surpass where they're at right now. They're only going to keep going higher, which means that when the banks lent out money at one rate or borrowed money at one rate, now the rate has gone up and they cannot repay at that current rate. So we're about to go into a crisis where you're going to see major bank collapses. Okay? Major bank collapses. So how can you protect your portfolio, and how can you still make money in this situation? Well, the way you can make money is I study Harry Brown's permanent portfolio, which he had 25% in the S&P, another 25% in bonds, another 25% in gold, and then another 25% in cash. But I readvised that portfolio because certain parts of that portfolio is not going to perform because it was done years and years and years ago. So I updated it and made it modern to where the permanent portfolio is going to outlast the old permanent portfolio, and it's going to give you a much better return. Now you can find this information on KickGame.info, KickGame.info. And here's the thing. You're going to get this portfolio with a whole list of new stocks because we're in an ever-changing world where Bitcoin is coming into play, AI is coming into play, and these are going to be ground level companies that are about to make a move higher. Nothing but upside. Nothing but upside. Go to KickGame.info.